Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the future of self-healing skin for robots. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. Self-healing, living skin for robots. Yes, you heard it right. Scientists have developed an impressive innovation that could revolutionize robotics technology. So stay tuned as we delve into this fascinating subject. A tree named Ganoderma Lucidum, also known as the shiny bracket, is at the heart of this exciting discovery. Scientists from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Zurich, ETHZ, have initiated a project where they develop a self-healing skin for robots from this fungus. The process starts with a hydrogel, which is transformed into an ultra-thin lattice with a 3D printer. The fungus is then introduced to this lattice, and its mycelium, or root network, grows and completely populates the lattice. In just 20 days, the structure was fully populated. What followed was probably the world's first skin transplantation on a robot. The robot had to pass various hardness tests. It rolled over different terrains and was completely submerged underwater. The resulting surface damages actually healed themselves. The healing properties come from the metabolic activities of the mycelium cells. The roots grow into the tiniest openings of porous materials and hold their position. A tear or cut is quickly filled again, but only as long as the fungus is alive. And this is where there are still challenges. Like any plant, the fungus needs nutrients to survive and produces waste products. The scientists still have to regulate a permanent food supply and the removal of metabolic products. Despite these challenges, this innovation represents a significant advancement in robotics technology. With further research, this self-healing skin could make robots more resilient and adaptable. It's an exciting glimpse into the future of robotics technology, and we are looking forward to seeing how these developments will evolve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated. See you in the next video.